are going to love the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable are all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, four-wheel drive, floor mats, cruise control, climate control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.